This is Excellent Interior, Saturday, April 27th, Syracuse Obedience Training Club. This was room 1. The blue tape was our start. Immediately to the right, we had a threshold hide. The hide was underneath this bin. Most of the dogs came in and went straight into the room and needed to come around and check the bin. A few dogs did catch it when they first came in. We had the yellow dots were boundary markers, and the second hide in this room was tucked underneath the leg of this table. Dogs worked it really nicely, coming all the way out to these bins, working up and down the table leg. Some dogs went all the way under, even worked it out this way and came back. Any indications on this part of the table leg here and all along the back where it was tracking was considered to be a yes. We did have some dogs that indicated up high on the table, and the rest of the area is marked here. This was a boundary. Room 2 was in this smaller room. And we had blue tape, which was the boundary. We had a boundary on this side. And we also had a boundary here. This room in here was out of play. The hide was inaccessible inside the top drawer of this plastic cabinet. With the door opening and closing, a lot of the odor was being pulled out into the front of the room, and a lot of the dogs were working all this stuff. We had a lot of pooling odor here. Dogs figured it out really nicely. We had pooling odor on this side as well. Some of the dogs were wrapping around these bins and then coming back to get it. And some dogs were working it right off this carpet area here and back to source. Outstanding job, everyone.